these are the basic workings of a car AC or air conditioning system. Now, first of all, you put it off from here. See, off. Then it has various, this turns on the fan, the AC fan. Set at off, then it has various levels. Okay. Then you come here. If it is very cold and you want some warm air, you turn it towards the red part, meaning hot, to give you hot air. Blue means cold air, so you can turn it the way you want. If you want not very cold but a bit cold, then you can see you can adjust it in the way you want. Now here, these symbols, this one means if you turn it this way, it recycles the air in the car. It recycles the air in the car. When you turn it the other way to this one, it means it gets the air from outside. Now, if it's very cold and your windows are fogging up, you need to turn it into this direction. Now, even before we get there, there's another place that directs the air where you want it. This symbol means that the air, if you turn your knob here, the air is directed towards your face using the vents that are directly, towards your face. Now, this second one here, if you turn the knob here, it means that the air is directed both on your face and on your feet. Now, there are vents also down at the floor of the car, towards the floor of the car. This one direct the air, as we have said, to your feet. This one now, here, it directs the air towards your feet and also to the windscreen. Now, the vents for the windshield are found here. Okay, so this is especially important when it is raining and your windshield is fogging up. Make sure you turn, and you also need your feet to be warmed up. So you can turn it to the warm, and then you are able to direct the air to both the windshield and your feet. And lastly, if you only want the air to your windscreen, then you turn the knob to this place. Now, it's also very clear here that you should only use it with the one that I showed you while the air is coming from outside. Don't use it to circulate the air. This is because you want the fog on your windshield to clear, okay? Yet, this one only circulates the air that is outside. It will make it worse. So if you want your windshield to clear quickly, always use the vent for the windscreen together with this option that gets the air, less damper air from outside. The rest here is that this one, if you put it on, this one is for the rear window. If you want to warm the rear window, it has some lines that go across it, so it is able to warm up. I turn the camera, you can see it has some lines, so you put this on when you want to warm and clear the fog from your rear window. Now this is the knob for turning on the AC. The difference is here when you are only using the fan without the AC button, it's only the air that is circulating, but engaging the AC now involves the gas, the one that is refillable at the bonnet. So this one will cause the conditioning to change faster. For instance, if it is warm and you want cold, it will get cooler much faster than just using the fan. And also, if you want the fog to clear faster from your screen, you can also turn this on. So that is basically how the system works. Now, you should also note that there are these vents here that are directed towards the mirror so that they can give you a better view of the side mirror. You can also, use these options here to turn the vents. You can also choose to block the fan. So next time it rains or you feel hot and you want to direct the air in whichever way, don't panic. Just remember this. Practice them when your car is parked so that when you really need them, then you'll be able to use them the way they are supposed to be.